Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change currency in H&M app. It's quite easy. Right now, if you look at here in my case, this is the Indian currency which I wanna change to USD, or you can say American currency. In order to do that, firstly we need to get back from H&M app, like completely close the app. Then you just need to uninstall the app completely from your device. Once the app is uninstalled, you need to open your Play Store or App Store depending on your device, and just search for H&M and just install the app. Once the app is installed, just click on open, and just right here on this screen we need to choose the area, because this is the only way which you can use in order to change the currency. So as I said, I want to change my currency to USD, and for that what I need to do, I need to click on this plus icon to choose the region inside America. Once I click on that, I need to select United States. Then here you can choose this according to you, and once you do that, your account will get open. Now we need to log into our account, so for that you need to click on this profile icon and just enter your email address. For the security reasons they didn't capture it, but yep, you just need to enter your email address, click on continue. Then here you need to create the password, and as you can see there is no option to enter the password, but instead you have the option to create the password. This is because they are resetting the account completely, so you need to keep in your mind that they're gonna like reset your app completely. All of your settings will be gone, so you need to keep that in your mind. Once you're sure about that, just enter your date of birth and just click on become an H&M member, and you're gonna see your account is successfully created. Now if you click on this little icon to see whether the currency is changed or not, and yep, there you go, it is changed to USD as I selected there. And yeah guys, that's the only way you have as of now to change currency in H&M. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.